So sit back and relax. Let go of the sights of this world. So don't forget to breathe through your nose in and deeply into your belly. Slowly but deeply, and then exhale through your mouth. And then extend that exhale a little bit longer than you're used to, just to help you release. Yes. You are as God created you. The sounds of this world are still. The sights of this world disappear. And all the thoughts which this world ever held are wiped away forever by this one idea. You are as God created you. Here is salvation accomplished. Here is sanity restored. You are as God created you. How quiet is the time you give to spend with Him beyond the world? How easily are all your seeming sins forgot and all your sorrows unremembered? On this day is grief laid by, for sights and sounds which come from nearer than the world are clear to you, who will today accept the gifts He gives. There's a silence into which the world cannot intrude. There's an ancient peace you carry in your heart and have not lost. There's a sense of holiness in you. The thought of sin has never touched. All this you will remember today. How quiet is the time you give to spend with Him beyond the world. There is a silence into which the world cannot intrude. There is an ancient peace you carry in your heart and have not lost. There's a sense of holiness in you the thought of sin has never touched. All this today you will remember.